going to make it as a tutorial, as the ring. Okay, here. The hole is too small, so I have to drill the hole bigger. Okay, it's the freshwater pearl. Let's drill it bigger the hole. I want to test if I can do it bigger by this. Oh, okay, we have to use the machine, drill machine to do it. Okay, so here the hole is a little bit small. Then okay, let's thank you, Donna. Thank you so much. I will prepare the gift later, or if you have any idea, just feel free to let me know. Thank you so much. Here, this is the bead, is the triangle shape. I'm not sure it very go through it because it's a half hole. Okay, here. Okay, it will work. Okay, here. Then this side. This help it more easy to put inside this machine. Okay. Freshwater pearl, this one. Okay. Then I'm going to use the silver glue. Glue pearl with the metal is better by silver glue. First glue is use the AB glue. Yeah, AB glue. Here. Thank you. Hi. Okay, so here, let's go. I'm going to put the glue at the top of this. See, only a little bit. Yeah, a very little bit of the glue. Okay, here. Okay, hello, Yanni. Happy to see you. Okay, done. This is the ring. Here. This one is still for someone they have a very small size finger. Yeah. And let's see if it can be make it bigger. Here. Let's see. Hi, Patricia. Yeah, that was easy. Easy way. This one. If I want to make it a size bigger, how to do? Now it's size 7, and I'm going to try to put. Let's do it a size bigger. Let's test. So I just make it like this. Let it stay here. Okay, then you can see the size now from the size 7 become the size 8, size 9. Okay. At the beginning, you see it's small, and after we pour there, it's become bigger. So this is the way to make it bigger. Okay. And except this way, we can use this ring to make the other designs. The double loop, the beads, we go the beads all around it. Then glue a metal beads or a cup at the end here. So this is the way. It's just here. Here. So this one we done. It's stainless steel with this effect. So here we finish.